I don't know her. I'm not invested in her. What we didn't do is create the problem for someone that this actually solves. I didn't think we're going to make sales.
Is this 5-year-old approved?
Let's go ahead and dive in. We have some BMC Max content that we can review. If it's your first time here to the post roast, also let me know. But this is just a time where we review and audit some of your content to help you make more sales, because that is what we are here to do. So, alrighty, first up we have Kenzie's video. So let's watch it.
She trains hard like this several times a week. Flips, landings, and repeat. And I used to think, she's fine, she's drinking water. But when kids are active, jumping, pushing their bodies are burning through more than just energy. They're using their muscles, their bones, their focus, all at once. That's why I started using this drink mix that's designed for kids with all the nutrients their growing bodies need, prioritizing those active kids. And they're not full of junk like the popular sports brand. I got a link below so you can support your kids too.
Okay, my biggest feedback here, because this is a really visually interesting video, I just feel like your hook is a little bit, I call it a selfish hook. I don't think you're selfish, but I call it a selfish hook when like your hook is about you and you have to like know and care about the person for you to be interested in the video, right? So let's listen again.
She trains hard like this several times a week. Flips, landings, and repeat. And I used to think,
So she trains hard like this. I don't know her. I'm not invested in her other than the fact that she's doing a cool flip, but that's more of a visual hook. So instead of like saying she does this, because that like really excludes everyone, you probably want to say something a little bit broader that's like, mamas of active littles, you know what it's like to have your kid flipping around twice a week or however often you said. Or like if you have a kid that is in gymnastics or that's active or playing sports, you know that it's easy for them to be depleted because they're not drinking enough water, or something like that would draw in more people instead of push people out, because we're just saying like she does this and we're like, cool, who is she? That's really the majority of my feedback here, because this video is very visually interesting because we see her drinking it, we're seeing her doing cartwheels and stuff. You talking with her in the background is everything. I'm assuming you did have it on hand. This shot is so good. I love this shot. I would front load that shot a little bit sooner because you're not even revealing the product there. So I would do that shot here and then talk about it on the back end. If you can, like during this talking about it, if you can give us whatever you gave us at the very end, this I don't think was totally necessary. Like if you could have the product in hand during your talk to us shot, that would be ideal, because then we can kind of combine those two clips and make this video even shorter and more concise and get rid of this portion of it because you have it in your hand. That's all I got. Mel, anything to add?
My first thought too was the text hook. Like nobody cares kind of what you don't skip, but when you say we, or when like Alyssa said, you call out like moms of active kiddos or something like that, makes someone envision themselves in your video. So, but yeah, I loved that like pouring shot too. That was like such a like visually pleasing.
That was great. And it wasn't even a product reveal because we can't even read what you're doing. So putting this earlier doesn't even like make it adsy to me quite yet. All the visual interest of her back there. Really, really great video. I love this vibe. Anytime you get out of your house, it's just so much more interesting because so much content happens inside. So I would definitely probably watch the majority of this video on my FYP. Great job. All right, we got Lauren.
Someone tell me why it took until 2026 for them to invent laundry detergent sheets. That's right, this is laundry soap. All you do is toss these laundry detergent sheets in the drum of your washer. It activates with water, so you're no longer paying for those big plastic jugs basically full of water. Less plastic waste, no mess. All you're gonna do is put either 1 or 2 of these laundry sheets directly in the drum of your washing machine. They're the Earth Breeze laundry detergent sheets. I grabbed this bundle that came with 4 different scents. This is 240 loads of laundry, and look at how small it is. It doesn't take up much space. This is freaking genius, and you will not believe the price on these. I'm gonna go ahead and link them for you below if you wanna check these out. Such a good, non-toxic, eco-friendly swap.
I love this visual, and I'm probably gonna steal it. I am missing the problem that this solves right from the get-go. So why did it take until 2026 for somebody to make laundry detergent sheets? Then you explain like this is laundry detergent.
Your detergent sheets in the drum of your washer. It activates with water. So
and then we're just kind of going through like selling points and product details. But what we didn't do is create the problem for someone that this actually solves. So just make sure you mention like at the beginning something about like having all of these clunky jugs cluttering up your laundry room, or being able to travel with laundry detergent and it's not messy. Or instead of buying laundry detergent, scent booster, and softener, you can just get the sheet. You're getting like 240 loads for $48 right now instead of, we need the problem. So it's either too expensive, it's too normal detergent is too inconvenient, or toxic. Yeah, exactly. Non-toxic. Because this is a great ad, but it's definitely an ad. It only tells me good things about this product. It's more of like an exposure video instead of like a, hey, the laundry detergent you're using is actually worse than this right here. It's worth making a switch kind of a video. With this product in general, like everybody has laundry detergent already. So all of us should be focusing on how do we convince someone that what they're using already is not good enough and they need to switch to this, or not convenient enough, or not cheap enough, or clutter-free enough, kind of a thing. Well, that's my feedback. Anything to add, Melissa?
I want to encourage you guys because I got Earth Breeze too, and I have been making videos, and I was like, oh my gosh, it takes up less space. It's more environmentally friendly. It's cheap. It's like, I was thinking of all these things. I want to challenge y'all. We talk about this a lot, how when it's a product that you really, really love and you get excited talking about it, you end up like, it's this, it's this, it's this, it's this. I want y'all to like take that and like make 5 separate videos, right? Make one that's talking about how it's eco-friendly. Make one that's talking about how it's great for college kids or people who live in small apartments because it doesn't take up room. Make one where you're talking about it doesn't damage your washer because over time it doesn't like create buildup. So this, y'all, is such a good product. Like, you can hit the environment friendly, you can hit the space saver, you can hit so many different good angles. And I also want to steal that visual because it just why did it take until 2026 and you're holding something that I have no idea what it is in water? Like, I'm sticking around. Like, what is she holding in water? So really good visual.
Yeah.
Paired with the spoken was real good.
I don't know if this exists, but if there is like some sort of visual that you can do with like a toxic laundry, if they look different, that would be cool. I don't know if they do, but like if you have Tide or something and you like pour it in and it like doesn't foam up, or if it looks different, it might be interesting to compare them.
It would be cool if you were like holding a bottle or whatever, and then if you just started reading out, because this is saying like things like sodium lauryl sulfate and preservatives and blah, blah, blah. Like if you started reading those out and you were like, all of that is going on my clothes, that's going on my kid's body, like something like shocking like that. I might steal that idea for myself.
That's really good. Yeah, definitely gonna steal that.
Wouldn't that be good?
That's great. Okay, let's see.
TikTok Shop affiliates, here's how to get paid a flat rate for the videos that you're already posting, plus your normal commissions. With the Brands Meet Creators platform, you get access to pre-approved brand listings. No negotiations, no back and forth, just request a sample, post, and earn a flat fee, plus your commissions. And it's completely free to join. Tap below to explore the available listings and see how much you could get paid per post.
We do have more time. This video, we don't have Flav City, but this one started making sales for Flav City. So I thought I would give you guys the inspo for it. And then we also have one of Mel's videos.
Did you really just buy another coffee?
What's wrong with that?
You have been spending so much money on coffee. How much was that?
It's like $8.
$8 for
Yeah,
coffee?
and why are you filming?
Because, dude, I make my coffee for literally $3 a day at home, and it tastes so freaking good.
Dude,
Taste
lay
that.
off. There's no way that tastes as good.
Taste it. Taste it right now. What do you think?
Okay, that's actually really good.
It's good, right? And it costs
How much?
literally way less than your freaking $8 one. It's this brown sugar latte, just like your brown sugar shaken espresso crap that you get. Look, it comes in this variety pack. And literally for what you pay for 2 of those things, I get a whole week's worth in this pack right here. You get chocolate chunk mocha, vanilla latte, salted caramel macchiato, cinnamon dolce, and sweet almond drop. They're so much cheaper and they taste so good.
Okay.
Did I convince ya?
This actually tastes pretty good.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
You
that
want?
one.
Ah, okay, well, I'll put the link right here for anyone else who wants to save some money on their coffee every day.
This framework, we posted like 4 or 5 that are similar to this, and 2 of them are making sales. So, which I didn't think were going to make sales because shipping has a cost right now on this product, but get creative and it works. Here's one of Mel's.
Somehow we lucked out and my 5-year-old doesn't like juice, which is great because juice is full of sugar, but sometimes I want to give her something other than water and milk. And I found this Mighty's anytime drink. So I think a lot of people think it's like hydration, but it's actually like vitamins, minerals. It's got D3, it's got folate, all the stuff, B6, zinc, all the stuff for like immunity. So there is 0 sugar in this and it's grape flavored. So I'm about to have my 5-year-old try it. You get a ton. You get 60 servings. That's a lot. They even have on their bag, like, we like don't want to break the bank. We should be able to like fuel your little one. So we're going to have her try it. Let's see. Okay, mix it up. Okay. There you go.
Yum, yum.
It's yummy.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I love that. I gave it to my son today. It does taste good. Like pink lemonade.
I know that like we say not to just like read off the bag, and I know it was I just figured since it was an unboxing that it like came across more authentic if I wasn't like, it has zinc, like, so I kind of did the like reading off the bag, but I would love any feedback, Alyssa, that you have.
I mean, I thought it was great. I think if your text hook had something to do with the fact that we were going to see her taste test it, then we would stick around to see that. Something like getting my little to taste test
Yeah.
vitamins or something like that.
What about like, is this 5-year-old approved?
Oh, that's
or is that
good.
like too adsy?
You could say, is this 5-year-old approved? Taste test incoming or something like that. So that we just need the loop to be opened that like, I'm going to see a 5-year-old drink this stuff.
Okay.
And that would make me want to watch it because then I would see, it would help me believe if my kid was going to like it, because even though your 5-year-old didn't actually like it and she's a little actress, it would still make me believe it.
And I'm happy to report that she did actually ask for it again last night. So she's back to liking it.
That's great. Yeah, apparently she said yum yum and then
5 minutes later said, I don't like this. But then she asked for it the next day.
But other than that, I do feel like it's a very authentic type review. I think if you could make it again, Mel, but more in like a 45-second, that it would probably hit even harder.
I just got to get her to say nummy again when she drinks.
Yeah. That was so cute. Oh my gosh.
I don't ever put her in my videos, so I was like, okay, I'm going to put a big sunflower over her face.
It was cute. I loved it. I love that you did that. Great post roast, guys. I actually do really love these more intimate calls. So invite your friends next time. Y'all have a really great day.
Bye, guys.